Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add video in Wix. So let's go to Wix editor page first. Then you have to click on this plus icon or add elements. You'll find here video and music. Click on this and you'll find here many video system like single video players, Wix video, video box, video mask, transparent video. So I'm choosing one single video players. Now you can see videos from here like YouTube, Vimeo, uh, Facebook, Daily Moon, or you can upload a video from your computer. So if you want to upload a video, you have to click on change video. Then you can upload video from your computer like this. Click on this and click on change video. Then you can see that here's no video, but you can upload media from here, from your computer. Upload from computer. Choose any video and you can click on open. It will be open in that place like I'm showing you. Hold on. Here you can see that video has been added. It will take some seconds to minute, so I'll be right back when it's complete the loading. Well, it's complete now. You have to click on add to page. You can see that video has been added here. Okay, so if you want to change the video and if you want to upload the video from YouTube, then click on YouTube and then in here you have to go to YouTube. Then choose any video you want and right click on the video, then click on copy link address. Then go here and you have to paste that video link here. Okay, so after that you can see here two things: autoplay, play in loop. You can turn this on, or if not turn this on, that should be fine also. You have to click on cross and you can see that video has been added here. Okay guys, so this is how you can add a video in Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.